Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get phishing protection without using any third-party software in Windows 11 computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Windows Security application. Now firstly, just click on the settings and click on this about, and kindly update this Windows Security Service version to this or to the newer versions, and after that click on this home button. And now here you can see app and browser control, just click on it. Now here you can see reputation based protection, and just below to it you can see your reputation based protection settings, just click on it. Now here you can see phishing protection, right? So by default this option will be turned off, so you need to enable it. So now you can see here, and below there are some more options. You can enable all the options. So I've enabled all the options, as you can see here. Right now I've enabled all the options. So you can disable some options also if you want to disable. You can simply just enable this phishing protections. Now this Windows Security application will give you a phishing protections. So by using this application named as Windows Security, you can easily get phishing protection without using any third-party software in Windows 11 computers very easily. So if you never known about the cool features included in your Windows 11 computers, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.